Today we're gonna go to Toys R Us. So now we're just gonna walk inside and see what is in and see which kind of toys that I'm gonna like. I save my money so I can buy whatever I want. Let's go. Okay guys, we're inside the store and we're just gonna check how many toys there are and then buy some. So we're just gonna choose a train so we can play with it at home. Well, I have this, but I don't have this, which means I don't want to buy sheds.
Oh my god, it's like the best day ever.
This is like the best day ever. Oh my god, Thomas and minis and sheds. Oh my god. So let's choose now. As you can see, there is a freight train somewhere. It's supposed to be here, but I think we should go back in there. Huh? Mini, huge, almost huge, giant. Look at these toys. These toys are. I'm not gonna buy these because I don't want some of these because these are too big for me. I can fit my hand through here. That's cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Peekaboo. Remember this? We don't have this. But this is a giant version. Oh, whoa, oh my God. This is what I wanted for Christmas too. I wanted this. This cool bus. I have this bus. Oh my God, better than the old ones. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Oh my God, that's cool. Oh my God, look at these minis. Wow, minis. Wow. Oh, oh, oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. Guys, this is the best day ever. If you went to Toys R Us, go and check these toys out, baby. Look at this. If you want to buy these toys, get the car. Wait. Is this it? Wow. Look at this. So now I think I want to spend money on this. So let's go and pay. Welcome to Sam's Toy Review! I'm back from shopping and look what I bought! 2, 3! Surprise! So as you can see, there is a steam engine that can make sound and light. Okay, so as you can see, this one right here has a ding-ding sign and a bridge that looks like my old one. And also you can pass through the city. And there's even a mini train and some cars. Cool, right guys? Let's start building. First, let's start off with the train. I can already see it. Okay guys? Ta-da! So the train is here and oh my God, it actually makes sound! Wow. It sounds like our old one, right guys? And here's the cargo. Look at this, baby. Oh man. Look at this. Just eat out. Okay, there we go. Now look guys, the train is already set it up. Let's open the train set. Let's open this baby. Let's get to this. There we go, Petunia. Oh my God, this is my favorite. So we just have to These are just tiny cars. Well, that's weird. Let's just put them on the road so they can remember each other. Right on here. This. Okay, guys. I'm gonna connect this to the bridge. Too hard for me. That part is too hard for me. My mommy is gonna do it. I think it was okay. Also, okay, and the train is about to arrive. Yeah, I'm gonna start building a train. Let's see where this goes. Oh, it goes on this triangle part. It looks like an alien basic, but just be like that boom. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna start with this train track goes here, and this train goes just here. And what's it? It goes there. That here. Circle. Put that here. Let's put that right here. Bridge now, guys. Done. There. Let's start doing it. Like this. Thank you, Mom. One tree goes here, and one tree goes here. Goes here.
I think here.
On the road first. Beep, beep, beep. Train entering. I want a train to enter my big station. Go. Okay, guys, let's put him now right here. Bing, 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 bing. First, let's open these up so everybody can go through it and boom. Let's open these up because they're always opened. Sometimes they're closed. Ding! Ding, 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 boom. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. He wants to go on the train track, but he can't. Road. He really wants to. He really, really wants to go on. Beep, beep. Now he's gonna park at his parking place. He wants to go and park. This is where cars sleep. Okay. Oh no! Ding, 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 ding. Trow. When you see a red light, you have to stop because the train's gonna come. You get it? Get it? Yeah, I get it. I'm sorry about looking at the train. Thank you, Mr. Officer. Now I'm just gonna go back in my car and see. And when I see a red light and the ding dings were closed, I'm gonna stop and then wait for the train. Way! Okay, so I'm just gonna get back into my car and hide behind the police station. And okay, guys, let's start building the other train now. It's supposed to be like this, then this, then this. This is longer. Then this, then this. Look at this big train. So now they're just gonna go on. So where did they start again? I'm just gonna start. Hold up. Let's see it. The man wants to go. It's easy. Okay, now. This thing, the man wants to see it. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay, you are.
Start. Do you know why this train doesn't it goes fast on the rails, but up here it doesn't go fast on the rails, guys? So we're just gonna check out how it moves in the bridge. It's getting stuck soon. Soon it's gonna get stuck. Like there. That's really weird, guys, right? It gets stuck right here. They have to fix it. Then it goes down here. Then goes over and over and over again. And it got stuck again and again and again. So that was how we tried the train out the bridge. And unfortunately, I bought this automatic train pack. And also, it was from the same brand, Automatic. I just tested it out right now, but it got stuck here, and it doesn't really move slow. It moves very slow on the bridge, right here, and some of the cargos tip over with that. Bye, guys. Have fun.